Hi guys, it's Craig from MobileTechTalk, and today we're looking at the Huawei Mediapad M5, and Huawei are attempting to drown me out with their presentation video behind me, but we'll see how we can do it. So we've got an 8.4 inch 2K display of a tablet here. If people are still using tablets, I think some people are. I was speaking to a few people the other day and they were suggesting that they maybe would prefer the Mediapad over the MacBook Xbook Pro, simply because, well, price is one thing, and also they want to go home, put their work orientated phone to one side and start using their iPad when they're sitting in front of Netflix and chilling, or whatever the teens do nowadays. So the other good thing with this is the other good thing that Huawei is saying is that it comes with Harman Kardon tuning. So it's actually got some really decent audio output on this, and so for watching that Netflix video or for watching YouTube or any sort of media consumption, you should get a nice crisp sort of output from the audio here. There is a camera, but don't be that person, don't use your camera on a tablet ever. It comes with the latest Kirin octa-core chip with 4GB of RAM, and apparently the battery is of a specification that I can't find now, but apparently a very long life battery. I think we saw originally something around 6 to 7 hours of use time in the Mediapad M5, so that should be interesting. You do have a fingerprint scanner at the bottom here as well. It isn't actually a pushable button. It doesn't control anything other than the fingerprint scanner. And you've also got Huawei's Media Share as well. So if you did get a MateBook X Pro, or you did get the Mate 10 Pro, or even the forthcoming Huawei smartphone, you'll be able to share your products and share your photos, share your media from the phone to your MateBooks with a dedicated transmission, which is excellent. Actually comes with Android Oreo as well, so it's interesting to see how the latest Android operating system actually functions on a tablet. As you can see here, it also comes with EMUI, so those people that will be looking for more of a stock interface should probably look for a different tablet. But this is the Huawei Mediapad M5, 4GB RAM, 32 or 64GB options, and it's a really, really light device actually. I could actually see myself using this particular tablet. I mean, I use rather large phones, but I could actually see myself using this tablet. Let's just see what the camera is like, even though you should never be using it on here. And it seems to be doing okay. Let's switch it around and see us. No, don't focus, turn around. See these? That's what happens. All in all, I think it's a very good tablet, and it is something that I would actually consider using. So we're still waiting on the sort of pricing and availability, but I've just been told that €349 is probably what this one would look like. There is a bigger 10-inch version which will probably go for a little bit more, but $349 for this, so say £300. Okay, not too bad, Huawei, not too bad at all. We'll try and get one of these on for review, because obviously this is a 5-minute look at this. I can't get over how light this is actually. I mean, I haven't used a tablet for a long time. This is very, very light. You can see there the sort of speaker grills that are going to give you that. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Don't think we can. But the speaker grills on the top and the bottom here, they're actually going to give you that sort of Harman Kardon surround sound. Okay, this is Craig from MobileTechTalk. Keep it locked for more MWC 2018 coverage, and we'll see you on the next one.